have done exemplary well. We are still downloading the results, but so far we have realized we have 5 of them who have scored a straight grade A of 84 points. We are very proud of them. They have joined us this afternoon together with their parents to celebrate these results. I want to attribute these good results to blessings from God, that we give everything to God and He bless the work of our hands. I want to thank our teachers for working very, very hard with the boys to realize these results. Thank you, our management, for being there for us and providing everything which was required to realize these results.
We are asking every single person, wherever you are, the talent that God has given you, go there and work on it. You could be, a mason, you could be a carpenter, and there are opportunities out there. Even for those people who did not pass so well, there is opportunity for them. So go to school. Don't just go home. Refuse to go back home. Go to college. Go to TVET and do something.
I scored an A of 84 points. And first of all, I'd like to thank God for the far He has taken me. This came as a surprise, although I was expecting, but I did not believe when I saw these marks. I would like to thank the teachers who took their time to prepare us, our parents who supported us, even fellow students who motivated us to perform even better. I aspire to pursue a course in software engineering.
Na mwaka ni tukenete muno ni tondu uria Ngai atuteithĩtie na agatukinyaniria gukinyia miniscore ya iguru. Ciana ithatu cikigia A-, kenda B+, 24B, 26B- na C+ 29. Ciana 91 cikigira to public university. And so ta Thukuru ni tukenete muno na ni turacokeria Ngai ngatho ni undu wa such a good performance. Uria ingiuga ni ati no hoe muno thirikari mamenyerere muno ohoro wa supporting the needy children and especially in university, nigetha tutikagie na challenges ta iria turari nacio. At least the needy children, all the children to feel ati ni mabirongete na mundu ni aheo chance ya kuingira into public university under government sponsorship.
I got an A-. For the school, actually, I was the former school president of this school, and I would like to urge you, just work hard and put God first in everything that you do.
Okay, my name is Shalil Wanjiko. Okay, our school is Vine Spring Girls High School. We are so happy for our school. We thank God for everything, even they have made us happy.
From those 404 candidates, compared to last year, they have improved. They have improved because we have got 50 A-planes so far, 106 A-, 103 B+, 62 B-plane, 51 B-, 23 C+, 9 C, 6 C-.